Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'll show you another important topic, that is how to do a partial settlement against an order. So first of all, I have taken an internal order for reference. So I'm going to that internal order first. KO03 is the transaction wherein I can display the internal order. The internal order is now displayed. Now I'll show you the cost. As you all know that we have to go to the cost analysis to check the cost against cost happened against this order. 1000 is the cost which has happened against this order. So now what I'll do here is I'll I have taken this order, this internal order as a reference. Now here you can, this what all I'll teach you here will be applicable for production order, internal order, and other orders as well. Okay, so now I'll show you how to do the partial settlement without doing the 100% settlement. Now there can be many of the business processes happening across the globe wherein the 100% settlement is not required, so we have to change the settlement rule accordingly. Now first of all I'll go to the change internal order KO02. This is my order. I'll just go inside. Here is a settlement rule button. I'll click. See here already one settlement rule was mentioned with 70% settlement ratio, and it was set to the cost center. Now I don't like it, so I'll simply delete it and I'll save it, and I'll do some other thing, like again I'll go to the settlement rule. Here I'll go under the category. I'll pick up cost center. However, you can pick up anything that you like. So I'll be picking up cost centers here. Say I'm picking up SC5, and in percentage let me give 85%. Okay, now I'll just press enter and I'll just save it. Okay, so what is the expectation? Now if I go inside the order, if I check its cost, then I'll check that 1000 was the cost incurred against this internal order. So I have given 85% settlement percentage. That means what? That means if I do the settlement, then it would be settled to AC5 cost center as as per the settlement rule maintained, like this. AC5 was the cost center that I had maintained here, and my expectation is 80% of the cost will be settled. That means 850 amount will be settled. So I'll go to the KO88. This is my order. I have given my settlement period, fiscal year and all. I'll simply execute it to get it settled. Okay, I'll go here. See, 850 is the settlement amount as expected, because 1000 was my total amount. Okay, and on that, if 85% is charged, that means 850 only. I'll take off the test run and I'll execute. It is executed. Okay, 850 is the total amount settled to AC5 cost center as maintained in the settlement rule. Okay, so receiver is the AC5 cost center and sender is the this order 100299. So I am going to the internal order again, going to the cost analysis again. See, the settlement has happened with 850. That means the balance will be 150. So again if I do settlement, okay, then the further settlement will be happening for the balance amount. So this is what the partial settlement is. I hope you have understood the topic. If not, then please put your comments in the comment section. I will surely try to answer all of your queries. and if you have liked the video, then please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I'll surely come up with some other videos in coming days. So till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.